Look guys, I have all these oranges I got. I got this little Josie's mandarins. I got a couple of packs of these, and I have this big Josie's mandarins. Look like slightly bigger. I also have this blood oranges. I know these are delicious. Of course, one of my favorites is Cara Cara oranges. Okay, I also have the Suma citrus. Of course, I have all the Suma mandarins. You know, it's really, really easy to peel this. You just kind of snap the top. You see this little top here, you just snap it and it's really, really easy to peel. And they are so, so sweet, so delicious. So as you can see, there are so many different kind of oranges that you can buy. And I didn't even buy all of the varieties that I saw in the store. There are so many more. These are just one of my favorites. Okay, now we're gonna do a quick taste test. So we have this tiny, not that tiny, but kind of like medium-sized mandarin. Then we have a bigger one. Oh, this is one of my old, I think, navel oranges. I know these are sweet. This is our blood orange. This one is the Cara Cara orange. This is small Suma and big Suma. We're gonna do a quick taste test of all of these guys. Okay, let's start with this tiny mandarin. So these are very easy to peel. You don't need a knife. That's why it's really good to take it with you guys when you're on the go and you know you need to have your fruit with you. Just take this little mandarins and peel them. It's easy. So now I'm gonna go ahead and taste this for you. These are sweet. These are nice and sweet and delicious. Next, we're gonna peel this bigger mandarin. Let's see if it's as sweet as the other one. It's also easily peelable, as you can see, just with the hand. Okay, let's taste this. Okay, this has a little more sour to it. These are definitely sweeter. Okay, I'm just gonna put this on the side, but they taste good still. Okay, next one. I'm gonna go ahead and peel this one. As you can see, I need a knife for this one, so it's not ideal to take it out when you travel, unless you keep the knife with you at all times. Yeah, that's fine. When I travel, I prefer it to be easy, so I'm just taking this peelable mandarins with me. However, I know this one, this is, I think it's navel, small navel orange, and as far as I remember, it was really, really, really sweet. Let's just cut it and give it a taste test. Tastes very different from the other ones, but it's really, really, really sweet. It's so delicious. Next, we're going to test this blood orange. Usually I like them, but let's see how these taste. Wow, look at this. Look at this color on the inside. Looks unreal, right? Wow, it's so pretty. Okay, let's cut this. Wow, look on the inside. It looks a little bit orangey, and then it's like this dark burgundy color or something. Okay, I'm gonna kind of cut it as well, and I'm gonna give it a taste test. Tastes good. They all taste so different, even though they're all like an orange family. Tastes good though, but it's not super sweet. It's more soury than the other ones. This is Cara Cara orange. Let's go ahead and cut this. These are one of my favorites. I can't get enough of this now. But soon they're gonna be out of season, so guys, you should go and get them. Don't waste this opportunity to get this delicious orange. Let's give it a taste test. I know it doesn't look that pretty when I cut, but we are doing a taste test, okay? Yes, Cara Cara orange, I'm telling you, it's one of my favorites. It's sweet, a little bit tangy, but it's mostly sweet, and it's so delicious. Look at it. Look at all these beautiful oranges. Now, what we have left with, these two sumas. So I'm gonna open this small suma. As you can see, I'm opening from the top, just like that. I peel this top, and then it's easy to peel the whole thing. Look how huge it is. It's a big orange. Oh, it smells. It smells so good. Look how easy it is to peel it. Okay, let's go ahead and give it a quick taste test. It's just so good. If you haven't tried sumas, you have to try suma. They are really delicious. Let's open the big one. As you can see, it's like perfect design. Opening oranges or mandarins. Let's see if it's good on the inside, because they're gonna go out of season soon. So if you never tried sumas, now is the time, guys. Now is the time for sure. So you see, easy to peel, huge. It's really good to bring with you if you go traveling somewhere. Suma oranges are also amazing. Let's give it a taste test. Of course, it's delicious. It's so good. Oh my goodness. Now I have this beautiful plate of oranges, and this is going to be my breakfast. Oh my goodness. It's falling apart, but look. Yeah, it doesn't look that pretty. I'm sorry. Okay, you know what? It tastes so good though, guys. So delicious. Try your oranges. Don't miss this opportunity. Soon it's gonna be summer. No more oranges, but we're gonna have watermelons and mangoes and all of that. So for now, let's just enjoy this. See you later.